I was talking all that time, and my mic wasn't on. This is why I gotta check, guys. This is why I gotta check. You know what, I can cut out that whole first minute there. Oh. No, I kind of forgot how to play. Oh. Okay. Oh. I actually want to put that in there, yeah. Okay. This does what for me, exactly? Oh. Wait. Okay, yeah, I got that. But, what is up with these controls? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Because, yeah, I don't wanna... Okay. I don't wanna frickin', like, die immediately off the bat here. How do I melee? Y. Okay. Y button is melee. Alright. Barrel? Anything? Nope. Now, I remember previously trying to melee foes to death, but apparently... Wrong button. That is apparently not how this works. So now the path should be clear. Yeah, because the body's burned. If you're wondering why I'm creeping, it's because, my goodness, this game handles like a freaking jalopy.
Shit.
Don't worry. It ain't too bad. Ain't too bad yet. I don't even know why I'm coming over here. Wait a minute. Let's... Oh. There's some goodies in here. Oh, yeah. I'll definitely take some goodies. Oh, I'll take more goodies. More brain juice. Just in case. You never know if that... Though, in actuality, I did end up punching him and he didn't move, so... Okay, that's just an environmental barrel. Not... Probably shouldn't be doing that, making a lot of noise. Oh. Press A to stop the needle, and I have to stop it in the blue. Mother! What the hell? There was a delay on that dang thing. There was a delay between me hitting the button and that actually activating. I need to find health. Oh no, wait a minute, I actually got one more. I didn't want to use it though yet. So that actually might be helpful. Got an axe to grind. 2 matches. That's actually not bad. I heard something. I can hide.
Who's there?
No.
Don't shoot. I'm not
Hi.
one of them. I'm a doctor. Marcelo Hendricks.
Yeah, I know who you
You
are.
were in the
I
ambulance before
think
it
I met you.
crashed, right?
Yes, we're lucky to be alive.
Have you seen anyone else?
My patient Leslie. I saw him running up ahead, but
But
come this way. Quietly, mind you.
Good luck with that, man. What's the problem?
Have a look for yourself.
Oh.
Things chased me all the way into the village.
me too.
Hello, officer.
They're all
What are you
over the
doing with
place.
a knife?
Leslie went through that gate.
And not even bothered by... Oh,
Good Lord.
hello.
There are too many to shoot our way through.
One of us could try to lure them away while the other gets the gate open. You're the one with the gun.
If you say so.
So I am the bait and you're the tackle? Don't ask me what I mean by that. I'm glad I didn't use up my axe. What the...
Ah, damn them both thing. There is a crank on the terrace. You'll need to operate it if I'm to pass through.
Hang on. I am looking around. Because I need goodies. Oh, wait, I can throw this? Oh, this actually got a whole lot better. Wait. Oh. Okay. Alright. I know what I'm doing when I edit this. Kick. Punch. Kick. Punch. Kick. Punch. Let's go through here. Oh, I can't pick up any more of that. I'm leaving this for a reason, alright? There is a reason why I am leaving that in place. Oh. Alright. What am I supposed to do?
Over here! Here!
Oh, he's the
Over here.
distraction.
That's right, this way!
That old guy's gonna get himself killed.
Hmm. idea where I need to go. I actually forgot how to play this completely. Oh, that's how you sprint. Okay. What? You fucking kidding me? Remember how to do that. What? How do I get out then? Oh, through the window. Oh good. Health that I'm probably gonna have to use immediately. Alright. Bum-ba-dum-ba-dum. I'm probably gonna do longer episodes this time around. I don't want to do this. Oh. Oh, those are matches. Alright. Oh, I only get one shot to do that. I thought I could go around. Damn it. I am wasting syringes. This is bull. This is bull. Looky, looky, bear trap. What I need is ammo. Why can I burn the hay? What's the point in burning the hay? Break these. Brain juice and something. Punch. Do not step on the bear trap. Do not step on the bear trap. Whoa. What? Oh, I can kick the flaming bales at enemies? Oh my goodness. Huh. Now, hang on. What's up here? What's in the loft? Ooh. More goodies. Another key to something I have no idea what for. More brain juice. Delicious. Actually, you know what? I think I did do half-hour episodes with this series. I don't really remember what all I did. I might make this 40 minutes. I don't know. I don't like what I'm freaking hearing. Maybe this time I'll get this bomb thing right. Oh, that was close.
Shit. Better find cover.
Haha. Double kill. And ammo. Now. Oh, you cock. Come here. How the fuck? Oh, this is all. Dang. Okay. So I don't need to wait for them to get super close, but still. Oh, I forgot there was a gunman. What's this do? Hi, officer. You kinda surprised me there. No matter, I'm just gonna get the H out of here. What is this harpoon bolt? I don't have any crossbow, though. I do have a gun. That means I can get the bullets. I found a shotgun. Oh! But I don't have any ammo for it, so I am just going to stick with what I got for now. Wait, where's my syringes? Alright. Wait a minute, can I use the harpoon by itself? No, I can't. But I can make a bolt. And I am going to place this right there. So if I have to, I can switch to it. Alright. Who? Where? What? Why?
How did you get it open so quickly?
You're welcome to give it a try.
Please, time is of the essence. It is imperative we find Leslie before anything should happen to him.
Oh, jeez. I just wasted a match. Didn't even light it. First off, we need to, Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. I can't hit that. Oh, you fucker. Jeepers freaking creepers. That was bull. Alright. Okay. This... Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have this episode going for longer. That axe could come in handy. Bam! Let's take it. Take an axe to the dome. Grenade? Okay, hang on. I need to take a look. This is going to go in my right slot. What? I'm just trying to figure out what the heck is back there. There's somebody back here, definitely. The hell? Take out all villains. Oh, I already got an axe though. Give me that. Okay. Yeah, no. Oh, what? Oh, there's something there. Whoa. Oh, that's a bottle. Wonder, can I use my grenade on this dude already? What the? Okay. Probably, that was probably a bad idea. Matter of fact, yeah, that was a bad idea. Oh, dang it, move! Oh, the dude got a gun. Fucking move! Fucking move! Damn! I don't have any ammo. Oh! Move! Why? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Crap, how? Ooh! Okay, this ain't, oh no, why are you stopping? Dude, don't stop. Don't freaking stop. Oh, come on. How am I supposed to stop this guy? This guy is impossible. Okay. There's literally no way to... Oh, boy. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna end this episode here. I'll see you in the next one. Son of a... Goodness gracious, how the hell?